transferring Amazon gift card balance to PayPal is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to teach you how you guys can transfer Amazon gift card balance to PayPal. So for that, as you guys can see, I'm at the PayPal. I'm going to tell you two ways which you have to try. So the first way is you have to be at your PayPal and then you have to go to your wallet. In your wallet, you simply have to click on this option, which should be link a card or bank account. And then you will see these three options here. You have to go to the first option, and then you have to go to the first option, which is link a card manual, and you need to try to put your information right here. If your information doesn't fit right here, which means you have to go to the method 2. Now what is method 2? In method 2 you have to go to Google and then you have to search for Raise Marketplace. Now you have to go to this website. Now what is Raise Marketplace? Raise Marketplace is actually a website where, as you guys can see, you can buy and sell discounted gift cards. So you have to sell your Amazon gift card right there. In return, they will give you some money which you can directly get into your PayPal account. So that's pretty much it. That's what you guys can do. Hope you guys find this video helpful.